Hi everybody, welcome back, or hello if you're new. I'm Febrith and today I'm doing the unboxing for the House of Wizardry crate for January. This is their monthly subscription. We've had quite a few nice things over the months since this subscription box started, so I've continued with it so far. This is the box. Comes as usual in the normal plain packaging with the sticker on so you know who it's from. So let's get it open and see what we've got. Alright, box is open and as per usual you get a potion, a pin, a t-shirt and a mystery item. Hi Arch, this is Archie. Bloody loves a box. Arch, dude, please hold. Swear to God, I turn the camera on and he's like, oh hi, here's my tail, here's my butts. Okay, fine, so first thing out we have another purple t-shirt. Let's have a look and see what it is. Okay, so here's the back. What does that say? Wizard Twins Joke Shop. That's cool. And then on the front, staff. Fun. Okay, that's kind of fun. I quite like that picture, actually. It's a bit theatrical and a bit, you know, old-timey. Okay, all right. That's item number one. Yeah, I forgot to say it's the twins themed. This I'm assuming is going to be the pin. Let's have a look, see what we've got. Ooh, okay, that is nice. Let me just try and, there you go, get it into focus. Perfect, that is really pretty. I will show you close-ups of all of these things at the end. And so we've got two wrapped up packages. So let's see what these are. Okay, so the first one, I've had to put my glasses on because I can't read it. It's Peruvian Instant Darkness Powder, handy for a quick escape, premium quality. So look at that. That is nice. There you go. Got a little star. I'm assuming this is Nin's Apothecary again. And then on the back there's the, I don't know, it probably says don't eat this. Most likely. I'll show you closely. Okay, and then the mystery item. Oh my God, it is actual sweets. It is. Oh, wow. Oh my God, that's so cool. Okay, so it's the Lonely Broomstick, Exploding Bonbons. And I feature the Lonely Broomstick on here every single month with their Wizarding Wicks subscription box, which is the other subscription that I get in addition to this one. And check it out. I haven't tried these before. They look like hard American hard gums to me, but we'll see. I don't think they're actual exploding bonbons, unfortunately, you know, like the Harry Potter ones, but we'll see. All right. Oh God, no, it says the most sour sweet in the world. Right, I'll have to give those to somebody then, because I can't if it's not sweet. You know, no. All right, let me show you these things close up. Okay, so here they are. This is the little haul. The Instant Peruvian Darkness Powder I really like. I think that's absolutely gorgeous. It is Nin's Apothecary again. I don't know where I'm going to put this, guys. Honestly, I'm so out of room right now. In fact, I'm thinking of doing a declutter of some of my Harry Potter things just because I've got so much. And it would mean, you know, to carry on, I would need to sacrifice my Fallout, Skyrim, you know, Doctor Who, all my other particular favourite things, Lord of the Rings and so on. So I don't know, I need to do a declutter and move things around and get rid of a few things. If you'd like to see that, let me know. So bonbons, great idea. I will find someone to give these to though, because, you know, sour and me, absolutely not. This I love. I think that is so nice. What do you think, Arch? Do you like it? Really nice pin. Again, I need to find some room for that. The t-shirt is actually quite a cool one. I like the colour. I like the design. So yeah, there we are. Okay, Archie loves it. All right, I'll call that the end of this video and I will see you soon for the next one. Take care and stay safe, everybody. Just adding on a quick PS regarding the Charmed Aroma video that I did the other day. So I did get the earrings out of the little castle and they're very cute, they're very nice. I will wear them, so nice. However, the Skelligro, they're now out of stock, so you'll recall mine arrived broken. The glass was literally in a million pieces. I did fish them all out and try and put it together, but there was absolutely nowhere. There was like hundreds of shards, literally. So yeah, I had a bit of a clean-up operation after that. So it's broken. They are out of stock, were unable to replace it. They don't have much Harry Potter stuff at all at the moment, and the only two things that I would have wanted I've already got. So they've given me a refund, which is great. They didn't mess about. They were really good. Their customer service was excellent. I can't complain. Let me show you what I did with the bones of the globe. All right, so this was actually in 3 pieces. The bottom had come away, and here's obviously the chest cavity, for want of a better description, and the head fell off. There's a hole in the head, so my intention is going to be that I will find a potion bottle of an appropriate size, put it in there, and then put the thingy on the top so that it wasn't a complete waste of everybody's time and money, you know. So I will, you know what I'm like, I'm very handy. If I can find a way to use things or fix them, then I will try. So yeah, that's the Charmed Aroma update, and they were great, so thank you to them. All right, that's it. See ya.